Good evening, Akshaya. Can you
Yes,
please
sir.
your video?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Fine. So, Akshaya, first I would like to ask you that how are you currently in this pandemic period? Are you safe?
Yes, sir. I'm safe, sir.
Okay. So you are in Chennai, right?
No, sir. I'm from Trichy.
Or you are from Trichy? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so I would like to ask you now that are you currently facing any kind of problem related to academy or something else? You can share with me.
Sir, actually, we don't have time, sir, to study. Uh, it, we are filled with lots and lots of assignments, and
Mhm.
we don't have time to study for our facts, sir. That's the only main big problem, sir.
Okay, but I would like I would like to suggest to you, Akshaya, that these kind of loads or pressure are very common in MBA programs. This is actually very common problem for all MBA students because assignments are there, and also you need to take preparation for PAT exam. So my suggestion is that whenever you do the assignments, you should try to understand the problems, and you should take advantage. You should do the assignments in such a way so that it also serves for your FAT exam. Okay, so in that way, you need to think about it. That how can you work on both the issues? Because sometimes it happens that if you try to solve a problem which has been given as an assignment, you will be automatically solving, or you will be automatically, when you will try to solve the problem, you will be taking preparation for that. Because the similar sort of
Yes, sir.
question also may come in fact. Okay. So this
Yes,
is my
sir.
suggestion. And any kind of other problems, you can
No,
share
sir.
with me. So the teachers are doing fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is your second year, right?
No, sir. First year.
First year. Okay.
Third try.
Third try. Oh, trimester. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. So the first year almost is based on online mode. So how are you feeling this online teaching?
Sir, don't want online, sir. Because of this pandemic, we are
Hmm,
studying in online.
hmm,
But this is very, we are not able to, what to say, we are not able to face our friends or staffs, everyone.
hmm. Yeah,
In
that is the
campus
problem.
means we can, yes, sir, we can interact and we can learn many things. In online, we are not able to do, sir.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. That is a problem. That is a real challenge.
Yes,
Uh,
yes,
but
sir.
but at the same time, I think we should also. This is not only for you, but also for us, for everyone. We should
Yes, sir.
also think this pandemic period as an opportunity. Okay. For example,
Yes.
suppose we are getting plenty of times. A lot of times we are getting because we do not have any kind of journey. We don't. We are not required to spend time in campus, which is required obviously, but we are not doing that. So we are getting enough time, so that those times we can uh, invest to learn something new. Okay, so that is also possible. I'm not saying that always you need to use your laptop or your computer, not like that, because that will actually affect your eyesight. So that is, I'm not saying that, but
Yes, sir. Facing many health issues, sir.
yes, yes, yes. So that, but apart from that, we have also other ways to learn. Okay, not only just depending
Hmm.
upon the computer and laptop and the website, we will only learn. It's not like that. Okay, there are many other ways or many other methods of learning. Okay, so these things actually happen. Anyway, so I'm very happy to know that you are doing good and you are also safe. The last
Yes, sir.
thing that I would like to ask you, that is just 1 minute. Yes, just the last thing that I would like to know, that how your capstone project is going on.
Sorry, sir.
How are you doing?
Voice is breaking.
Hello, how are you doing your capstone project?
No, sir. Next year only we have. No, sir. This is the first year.
Oh, this is your first year, so you do not have any kind of project, right? So for
No, sir.
this year you don't have any kind of project,
For
right?
J comp,
Only J
we
components are
have
there.
J component projects, sir. Yes,
Okay, okay,
yes, sir.
okay. So which specialization you are looking for? Marketing, right?
HR, sir.
HR. Okay,
HR.
HR. Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine. So you do your J components. Okay, for J components as well, it's also like same the capstone project. Okay, so whenever you will do your J components, you keep contact with your faculties. Okay, and you start it right from the very beginning. That is a big issue, because unless you start it right from very beginning, it is very difficult to finish by time. Okay, so that's why you please
Yes.
always keep contact with your concerned faculties, where in case you have J components, okay, because all the courses will not have obviously J components. And also you need to present it in a proper format. That is also very much required, because many a times we have
Yes.
seen that the capstone projects, they are not prepared in a proper format, and that happens only because of the reason that they are also not able or they have also not done their J components properly. Okay, that's why they have not learned anything, so which is reflected in the second year as well. Okay, so that must not happen. Okay, because we have noticed that in
Okay, sir.
capstone projects there are not no references are given, and even if the references are given, they are presented in wrong format, or the list of references are given, but the references are not found in the main body of the project. So these kinds of things happen. So you need to learn those things, and this is not very difficult to learn, because if you go through any journal article, you will very easily you can grab all those things. So okay, very well. So now you can leave. Okay. So very
Okay, okay, sir.
okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Raghav. Raghav, can you please switch on your video?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, am I visible?
No, not you. You are not visible.
Some network issues, sir. That's why I was not able to log in, actually.
Okay. Okay.
For
No
past
problem.
15 minutes.
No problem. No problem. You just
Okay,
put
sir.
the audio
Okay, sir.
on. That will do. Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
Raghav, first of all, how are you right now? Are you safe?
Yes, sir. I'm safe, sir. I'm completely fine.
Okay. So you are now in
How are you,
Chennai,
sir?
right? I am fine. Are you Chennai in
Yeah, sir.
Chennai now?
I'm in Chennai, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I stay in Chennai, sir. I stay in Vadapalni, sir.
Okay. 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 Very good.
Okay, sir.
So how everything is going on? Are you facing any kind of problem in MBA related to academic
No,
or something else?
as of now, no issue, sir. A lot of assignments for the past 2 weeks. So we are busy doing all the assignments.
Okay, okay, okay.
So all the assignments are packed up. So till today we're having our exam, I mean our lab exams and all the assignments to group presentations to complete. So we're busy doing all that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
So as
Raghav,
of now everything is good.
okay, okay, okay. Very,
Yes, sir.
very good to know that. And Raghav, one thing I would like to suggest that since
Yes, sir.
you people have given a lot of assignments, you take it like that.
Yes, sir.
This is a kind of preparation for your FAT exam. Otherwise, you will not be able to cope up
Yes,
with
sir.
the
Yes.
situation. I have already previously also I
Yes,
have
sir. Yes, sir.
given advice that suppose you are
Yes.
doing some you are solving some problem or assignment related to suppose simple linear regression. So whenever you are doing that, you try to grab the
Yes.
concepts of linear regression. What is linear regression? And if you grab these concepts, then
Yes.
automatically
Yes.
your FAT preparation will be also solid.
Mm.
Okay. So in that way,
Yes, sir. It will become easy. Yes.
yes, it will become easy. Okay. So
Yes.
any other kind of problems? There is any other kind of problems you are currently facing?
Currently, no issues, sir. Everything is going.
Okay.
Everything is
Okay.
good.
Okay.
So
And
from tomorrow, our exam starts. So let us
okay. Okay.
start preparing. And
Best of luck
sir.
for your exam, upcoming exam.
Yeah.
And
Thank
I
you,
would
sir.
like to,
Thank you, sir.
and another
Thank
tips
you.
I'd like to add, that is I know that many courses have J components, right? So
Yes, sir.
when you make your project, okay, try to always contact with your
Yes.
faculty, and contact means regularly you need to contact with your concerned faculties, because all the component
Yes, sir.
lot of
Yes, sir.
so because unless you start it right from the
Yes,
very
sir.
beginning, you will get into trouble later on. Okay. So
Hmm.
always you keep contact with your faculty.
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes.
important. And so far, the things that we
Okay,
have
sir.
noticed right now, in second year, you will have capstone project. And what we are noticing that in capstone project, we are
Yes, sir.
finding that a lot of students, they are not able to prepare it in a good format. Okay, suppose for example the list of references
Yes.
is not there, or even if the list of references is there,
Yes.
they have not highlighted the references in the main body. Okay, so these kinds of problems we are having right
Okay.
now. So this only happens if you do
Yes. Yes,
not
sir.
complete your J component properly. Okay, so because J component
Yes.
is actually a basic thing of the capstone projects, because you learn a lot of things when you do J components. How to present the project report
Yes.
that you learn from your J component, and that experience you actually
Yes, sir.
apply in the second
Yes, sir.
year. Okay, so try to take it seriously, the J components,
Yeah.
not only in
Yes.
terms of
Yes.
marks, but also you need to learn the
Yes, sir.
how the things
Yes,
are
sir.
done. Okay, so that you learn properly, and if you can do that, then you will
Yes, sir.
also you will be able to do all the things properly in your second year when you will be doing capstone projects. Okay, so very
Yes,
nice
sir.
to talk to you,
Yes. Yes, sir.
Raghav.
Absolutely.
Okay, so if you have any problem later on, you can
Yes, sir.
message me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so best wishes for your exam.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay,
Let you know.
okay. Thank you for attending.
Thank you, sir.